polish doesn't take much time. You want to answer that? What does that even mean? I know.
Polish takes infinite amount of time. How about that?
Exactly. Yeah,
So
I agree with
it's
that.
it's NA. The answer is NA, not applicable.
You can always polish more. Yeah. I wouldn't even say there is a obvious point for almost anything where the polish is enough. Polish is enough when you release it. That's the point where it's enough. It's like it's the times that you have.
But it has diminishing results.
Yes, absolutely.
So at some point you just say it's good enough, and that's it. But the thing is that the definition of good enough, well, just let your playtesters judge for you. If you're the developer, you will always see what you can improve. But the players, even they can see what you can improve, but they don't see as much as you. They focus on the value they get from it, not the value that you can squeeze out of it potentially. The players are not developers. They care about the current state of the game, and they care about their wish list. They don't care about satisfying the needs of other gamers. So they will ultimately judge if they like it now and what would they love to see next. And if you have so many gamers, players of your game saying about the same things, like, hey, could you introduce multiplayer? Or, hey, could you add more weapons into the game, or whatever it is, then okay, so you get a direction for development, which is also, well, literally oriented on what will make them happy and not on what you think is lacking in the game.
Yeah. Absolutely. I will say there is a bit of a caveat where we say, yes, the polish is technically endless, but usually the point of polish is to give player feedback. So you are polishing something because you want to give player feedback that something happened. So when you shoot, you see a VFX, right? You see some muzzle flash, and then you see and you hear a sound. Like those two things, perhaps you can do camera shake or some animation, right? Those few things give you like 80% of the value. Like you are saying, that's basically where afterwards you get the diminishing return. So you could probably make a good rule of thumb that you polished enough when you communicate to player enough what happened inside the game. Like that he fully gets that this is what happened.